Hello friends, today we will be discussing about the fates of pyruvate. As we have seen earlier in glycolysis, glucose is metabolized into pyruvate as a result of 10 successive reactions. Now this pyruvate has 3 fates and further metabolized by 3 different catabolic routes. In first route, under aerobic condition, pyruvate is oxidized to acetyl group of acetyl-CoA with the loss of carbon dioxide. Then this acetyl group completely oxidized by citric acid cycle to final product of carbon dioxide. Electrons from this oxidation are passed to oxygen O2 through a chain of reaction and converted it into a water molecule. In the second route, pyruvate is reduced into lactate via lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation occurs in normally as well as in hypoxic condition when there is a less availability of oxygen. In normal condition, certain tissues and cells such as retina of eyes, blood cells, which convert glucose directly into lactate even under aerobic condition. And the lactate is also the product of glycolysis. As we have seen in glycolysis, due to availability of enough oxygen, NADH loses its electron and reoxidizes to NAD positive. But under anaerobic condition, NADH cannot be reoxidized to NAD positive. Then pyruvate accepts electrons from NADH and reduces to lactate, thereby regenerating NAD positive, which is necessary for glycolysis to continue under anaerobic condition. And this pathway is catalyzed by an enzyme called lactate dehydrogenase. The third and the final route of pyruvate is ethanol fermentation. In this pathway, pyruvate is catabolized into ethanol. In some plant tissues and certain vertebrates, protists, yeast, and microorganisms, pyruvate is converted to ethanol. This process is called ethanol fermentation. This reaction basically comprises of 2 steps. In the first step, pyruvate is converted into acetaldehyde, which is catabolized by pyruvate decarboxylase, and during this reaction carbon dioxide is released and acetaldehyde is formed. In the second step, acetaldehyde is reduced to ethanol through the action of enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, and during this reaction NADH is converted back into NAD positive and the final product ethanol is produced. So we have so far learned that the pyruvate can be converted into 3 different final products: ethanol, lactate, acetyl-CoA, which further converted into different molecules. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share.